Hi, I'm Allie.
I'm Daniel.
And this is LeithCars.com's He Said.
She Said. So today we're talking about the all-new redesigned 2020 Nissan Sentra. This is a small car with big possibilities. We're going to get into the technology, the space, everything that we love about the Nissan Sentra.
Welcome to the Nissan Sentra.
Yes, redesigned, head to toe.
Yeah, like literally head to toe. Like if you were gonna redesign a car, you're like, oh, let's redesign. Like this car's got a different engine in it from the last model. Its wheelbase is larger. It's a completely different car. Like everything in this car is different.
So for 2020, they've redesigned the 2020 Nissan Sentra, 2020 Nissan Altima, and the 2020 Nissan Maxima to all look the same.
So Daniel was just talking about the styling of this beautiful car. I'm going to talk about all the functionality that's involved. There is a lot of stuff that's standard on this car, even on the lower trim models. This one is the 2020 Nissan Sentra SR. It's the top trim model. This one retails with options for just over $22,000. That's what's on this car. You can get them higher up, you can get them lower up. There's the S, the SV, and the SR. All of the cars, even the S, the lowest model, comes standard with active grille shutters. And what that does is, like on fancy cars like a Mercedes AMG or a fancy race car, they have these shutters inside that open and close as you drive. As you get on higher speeds, it will shut the shutters to help you with your fuel economy. This car gets 29 in the city, 39 on the highway, and the eco mode inside helps with that.
I love on the dash that it tells you how fast you're going, but it also has what the speed limit is.
That's pretty cool.
And that's good, especially like driving this car, it'll never be a moment where I don't know what the speed limit is because it tells me right here and it helps me to stay safe, to stay inside that speed limit.
Other things that we have standard in this car, safety-wise, are high beam assist. For the high beams, when you go into a place that's not bright enough, it'll light it up for you. Blind spot warning, lane departure warning, even oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It knows when you're tired and it'll ding you with a little picture of a cup of coffee and it'll go, time for a break? This car has so much technology standard, it's unreal. So I mentioned all of the technology that's in this vehicle and I actually left some stuff out. There's so much that's standard, it's not even funny. If you notice, there is of course lane assist, blind spot assist, there's emergency braking. It will recognize traffic signs, like the speed limit sign that Daniel mentioned before. You can buy a package that will help you get in and out of tight spots in this, like parking. You've got your rear cross traffic, etc., low temperature, all of that. Really good pickup. Really good pickup for a 4-cylinder car.
Yeah.
And we have the air running because it's 1,000 North Carolina degrees out today.
Hot.
Yeah.
Very hot.
So when I was a kid, we had this old car, it was new to us. It was a brand new car, but it's old now. 1980 Toyota Corolla.
Yeah.
Every time we had to get on the highway, my mom would the air conditioning was a blue button down here on the dash. My mom would be like, hold on, we're getting on the highway. And then turn it off until you got up to speed because the car couldn't do it, you know?
Wow, really?
It's a little 4-cylinder engine. This cars have come a long way since then, to be fair. But this car, because of the eco mode thing, it regulates your climate control and your cruise control so that you don't lose any of that air and you still get the gas mileage and the car still has pickup.
So back to that story, how old were you then?
I was none ya.
So along with the incredible exterior restyling, Nissan Sentra has an incredible interior restyling. Just look at this dash, turbine air vents, touch screen, air condition. You have your pad to charge your phone. It has everything that you need to be comfortable in your drive wherever you're going, as well as the technology to keep you safe. So Allie, what were some of the things that you like?
I like that you can get so much in this car for so little money. A ton of stuff on fancy cars that you got to pay for comes standard in this car. It'll make a great first new car for somebody. And I love that it's truly customizable. You can get sport pedals, you can get ground lighting, you can get accent lighting, Bose speakers. You can really make this car your own. Daniel, what'd you like?
I have to agree with you. One thing that I love about it is the bold redesign from the interior and the exterior, and all the technology that comes for your safety to become standard in this car.
So thanks for joining us today. I'm Allie.
I'm Daniel.
And this has been LeithCars.com's He Said.
She said.
See you next time.